Hi everyone. Hello. You're welcome to Happy DIY Corner, your home of DIYs. Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cook one highly nutritious soup, that is soya beans vegetable soup. In the meantime, I want you to subscribe if you have not done that and turn on your notification bell. You need the following items to cook the delicious soup. Dry fish, number one. Number two, you need soya beans, but you need grounded soya beans, the dry grounded soya beans. The next item you'll be needing for this is red oil or palm oil, not groundnut oil. The next item is, of course, green ugu leaf. Make sure your ugu leaf is fresh leaves. Don't forget we are making nutritious soup, so make sure you are using fresh ugu leaves. The next item is dry crayfish. The next item is cow skin, popularly called pomo. The next one is smoked fish, also known as panla. We need fresh peppers and tomatoes. Don't use dry pepper or dry tomatoes. The next one is stock fish. The next item I need is onions. 2 is enough for the soup. The next is locust beans. Other items I need for this soup is seasoning. So you can use any seasoning of your choice. But as for me, that is the seasoning I'll be using. Another thing that you need is big cooking pots. You also need salt to taste. Let's start cooking. So the first thing you are going to do is on your gas, pour in your red oil. You need much red oil for this because soya beans do swallow up oil. So the next thing you are going to pour into your oil once the oil is a little bit hot is your locust beans. Don't forget we are not frying our palm oil, so we just want it to be hot a bit. So just once it's hot, pour in your locust beans and stir just to fry a bit. The next item that will go into the soup is your grounded fresh tomato and pepper. You can see it may be smooth or not. You are good to go. So you allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can see it is boiling already. So the next item that will go into my soup is my dry crayfish. Make sure you wash your crayfish before adding to the soup. So after adding it, you stir with your spoon. You can see the stew. The stew is, I love the color. I love the color of the stew and the smell too. The smell of the stew is inviting. So the next item that will go into my soup is my stockfish. Yes, your stockfish. Add your stockfish, and after adding the stockfish, make sure you stir very well. You know they are always strong. I didn't boil my stockfish before adding. I only wash it with warm water, so I added it earlier so that it will get soft by the time the soup is ready. So you add it and stir. So the next thing that you are going to add is cow skin. As you can see in the video, you add your cow skin and stir. Add your cow skin and stir. Stir continuously as you can see in the video. I stir properly. So you stir, it's not going to break. the cow skin and the stockfish will remain. It will only soften them the more. So you stir your soup. So the next thing that I'll go into is our wow soya beans. So this is what we are going to do. Before adding the soya beans, make sure you soak it in water and mix with your palm so that there wouldn't be lumps in your soup. There wouldn't be any lumps in your soup. So you stir, as you can see, you can stir because your cow skin or stockfish cannot break in the soup. Lest I forget, I grounded my dry fish with my pepper, so you can do just that to your own too. But if you wish not to do it that way, you are good to go. So the next item that will go into my soup is my seasoning. So like I said at the beginning of this video, that you can use any seasoning of your choice. It could be Maggi, it could be Knorr, it could be Star, it could be any of those Maggi or chicken flavor. But as for me, that is the seasonings I use, and I love the taste. So you can give this soup a try at home. You are going to love it. Your family will praise you for this because it's highly nutritious and it also tastes very nice. And to cap it all, it is economical. So our soya beans is boiling. Let it boil for about 10 minutes. Then you add your smoked fish like I added it in this video. Make sure you follow the procedure I'm showing you in this video when you are cooking this soup, because if you want your soup to be highly nutritious and also to taste very nice, very good, you must follow the procedure. So after adding your fish, make sure you mix carefully. This time around, don't just stir anyhow. Stir carefully, as you can see in the video. Yes, just make sure everything is inside the soup. And one thing about this soya beans is that aside from being highly nutritious, it's also economical, and also you in fact you will love the taste. Because when I tried this out, I in fact, what cannot explain my expression, because I really love it. I was amazed. So the next thing that will go into your soup is, of course, our growing vegetable, that is our ugu leaf. I really love ugu leaf. You can use any leaf of your choice, but for this soup to taste good and get the nutrition that you really want from this soup, just make sure you use ugu leaf. You can use water leaf. Water leaf is also good. You can use it, or you can use both. So as you can see, our soup is boiling. Wow, in fact, the aroma here is catchy. I just feel like taking it already, but it's not done. Imagine. Yes, so you stir, but this time around, stir carefully. The heat wouldn't allow you to see it properly, but I guess you can see it well because of the heat from the pots. Yes, so I'm trying to stir for you to see. Everything is ready. Our soup is almost ready, and I'm salivating already because I love this soup. I don't know, I just love it. You can eat with swallow, epa, mola, pounded yam, semo, wheat, fufu, and so on. Also, you can eat it with white rice, and it's very, very economical. I added salt behind camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. The next video I'm going to show you, I'm going to teach you how to make cookies. Watch out. Thank you for watching. Bye.